Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. When a person will love Paul's, I will say it is a test. But when a person will dislike Paul, I will say it is a punishment. When a person will love is afflicted with hardship, we say it is because he is a good person. But when a person we dislike is afflicted with hardship, we say it is because he has wronged other. Be very careful of heeding out the wisdom of the Almighty behind His degree based on your desire. O Allah, don't let me turn away from you, no matter how many trials and difficult you'll test me with. Let this difficulty serve to make me a stronger Muslim and more sincere to you. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share. Thank you.